Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to delete voicemails on your iPhone. Before we get started, I want to mention that this method requires iOS 18.1 or later for this to work. First things first, open the phone app. Once you're inside, tap on voicemail at the bottom. Here you'll see a list of all your voicemails. Now, there are two ways to delete these. The first way is by tapping Edit in the top left corner. Then, select all the voicemails you want to get rid of and tap Delete in the bottom right. Alternatively, you can swipe left on each individual voicemail to delete it. When you delete your voicemails, you'll see a new Deleted Messages option. If you tap into it, you'll see a list of all your deleted voicemails. Now, this works like a recycling bin or trash can on a computer. If you want to permanently delete these voicemails, tap Clear All in the top right corner. In the prompt box, click Clear All. And just like that, you've fully deleted all of your voicemails on your iPhone. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you're interested in getting real-time support, you can join Max Save Plus below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.